Welcome to Elite Millionaire Hub, where secrets and proven millionaire habits transform ordinary minds into unstoppable wealth creators. Today, I am excited to reveal 12 groundbreaking principles that the richest people in the world use to build and protect their fortunes. In this video, you'll discover powerful insights that challenge conventional wisdom and ignite a fire in your soul. Each habit is a step toward financial freedom, using strategies that successful entrepreneurs and legendary investors swear by. Stay tuned, engage with every concept, and prepare to have your mindset revolutionized as we embark on this journey toward prosperity and abundance. 1. The rich don't work for money. Welcome to our first millionaire habit, the idea that the rich don't work for money. Instead, money works for them. Instead of trading time for dollars, successful individuals invest in assets that generate continuous income. They build portfolios of stocks, real estate, and businesses that operate independently of their daily efforts. This shift in mindset transforms how you view your career and finances. It encourages you to seek investments that yield returns even when you are not actively working. Imagine having money flowing in while you sleep, travel, or spend time with family. This habit requires you to learn about passive income and smart investment strategies. It's not merely about saving money, but about creating opportunities that multiply your wealth. By adopting this approach, you free yourself from the constraints of a fixed salary. This strategy is the cornerstone of financial independence and is practiced by legends like Robert Kiyosaki and Warren Buffett. Embrace this habit by educating yourself on financial instruments and thinking beyond a traditional paycheck, setting the foundation for a future where money continually works to build your fortune. Start today by shifting your mindset and exploring investment opportunities that can truly change your financial destiny. 2. Pay yourself first. Pay yourself first. A timeless principle that separates the wealthy from the struggling, demands that you save a portion of your income before paying any other bills. This simple yet transformative habit ensures that your future financial security is prioritized over immediate gratification. By automatically setting aside a fixed percentage of your earnings for investments and savings, you build a foundation for wealth over time. This method, used by savvy investors and financial experts alike, creates a disciplined approach to money management. When you pay yourself first, you treat your future self as a priority, ensuring that every dollar saved contributes to the growth of your assets. This strategy not only builds a safety net, but also fosters a mindset of abundance and investment. It encourages you to view money as a tool for building lasting wealth, rather than just a means to satisfy short-term needs. By embracing this habit, you gradually accumulate funds that can be reinvested into lucrative opportunities, further enhancing your financial freedom and independence. Start now and secure your future. 3. Reprogram your brain for wealth. Reprogram your brain for wealth by transforming your inner dialogue and eliminating limiting beliefs. Successful millionaires understand that the power of the mind is the greatest asset in building wealth. Every thought, belief, and emotion shapes your financial reality. Replace negative, scarcity-focused thoughts with affirmations of abundance and prosperity. Visualize your success daily and challenge the subconscious patterns that have held you back. This mental reprogramming involves reading, meditating, and surrounding yourself with positive influences that reinforce a wealth-building mindset. Recognize that your habits and thought patterns determine your actions, and these actions ultimately shape your bank account. By consciously shifting your mindset, you open yourself up to opportunities that were previously unseen. Embrace the process of self-improvement and invest in your mental growth. Just as the richest people invest in stocks and real estate, invest in your mind and break free from the chains of doubt. Commit to learning and practicing new mental habits every day, and soon you will notice a transformation in how you approach money and success. Your mind is a powerful tool. Harness it to create a future filled with wealth, abundance, and limitless potential. Start reprogramming today for a wealthier tomorrow, right now. 4. The obsession principle. Desire creates wealth. Desire is the engine that drives wealth creation. In this habit, you must cultivate an obsession for success that transcends ordinary ambition. The most successful individuals fixate on their financial goals with unwavering determination, fueling their journey to prosperity. This obsession transforms obstacles into stepping stones and setbacks into lessons. When you harness the power of intense desire, you begin to see opportunities everywhere and you become unstoppable in your pursuit of riches. Think of innovators like Steve Jobs, whose relentless drive revolutionized entire industries. Cultivate a burning passion for achieving financial freedom by setting clear goals, visualizing success, and taking relentless action every day. Allow this deep desire to motivate you to push beyond your limits, defy conventional wisdom, and break through barriers. The journey to wealth is not for the faint-hearted. It requires commitment, persistence, and an insatiable hunger for more. Let your desire for success be so intense that every challenge becomes a call to action, propelling you toward a future where wealth is a natural outcome of your relentless efforts. Embrace the obsession, let it ignite your path, and watch as your financial dreams transform into reality. Fuel your passion daily, and undoubtedly, achieve your dreams. 5. It's not about income, it's about money management. In this crucial habit, you learn that wealth is not solely determined by how much you earn, but by how well you manage and grow your money. Many high earners fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation, spending as much as they make and ultimately finding themselves financially stagnant. Smart individuals adopt disciplined budgeting, tracking every expense, and investing wisely. They understand that the power of compounding and smart asset allocation far outweighs the benefits of a high income alone. By managing your money with precision, you create an environment where every dollar is optimized for growth. This habit involves not only saving but also making informed decisions about spending, investing, and protecting your wealth. The focus shifts from merely earning more to using what you have in the most efficient way possible. Embrace the practice of financial discipline, and you will witness the transformation of a modest income into a robust portfolio. How do you feel about your current money management habits? And what changes are you ready to implement? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start a conversation about achieving financial mastery. Adopt these strategies now to revolutionize your financial future. Make the change today. 6. Automate your wealth. Automation is the secret weapon of the wealthy, allowing them to build and sustain their fortunes with minimal daily effort. By setting up automatic transfers, investments, and savings, you ensure that your money is always working, even when you're not actively managing it. This systematized approach removes the temptation to spend what you intend to save, locking in your financial growth. Automated wealth building can include contributions to retirement accounts, dividend reinvestment plans, or recurring investments in diversified portfolios. When your finances run on autopilot, you eliminate human error and procrastination, both of which can derail your financial goals. Automation also helps in taking advantage of the power of compound interest over time, as your investments steadily increase without constant oversight. Embrace tools and platforms that allow you to schedule regular deposits and investment contributions. By automating your wealth, you set the stage for a future where your money works continuously, providing you with stability and freedom. The disciplined practice of automation is a cornerstone strategy for many self-made millionaires. Begin setting up your automated systems today and watch your wealth grow effortlessly as you focus on living your life to the fullest. Take immediate action now and secure your future. 7. Think abundance, not scarcity. Thinking in terms of abundance rather than scarcity is a fundamental shift that opens up limitless possibilities for wealth creation. Instead of fearing a lack of resources, adopt a mindset that recognizes the endless opportunities around you. Wealthy individuals believe that there is more than enough to go around, and that success multiplies when shared. This perspective empowers you to take risks, invest boldly, and innovate without the constant worry of failure. When you think abundantly, you create a positive feedback loop where optimism fuels action, and action attracts more opportunities. This habit transforms your approach to challenges, turning obstacles into opportunities for growth. Replace fear with curiosity, and replace limitation with potential. Embrace a vision where every setback is a setup for a comeback, and every challenge is a chance to create more. Your mindset becomes the catalyst for drawing in new investments, partnerships, and financial success. By thinking abundantly, you not only change your inner dialogue, but also your external reality. Let go of the notion of limited resources and open your mind to a world filled with prosperity and endless possibility. Start today by declaring that abundance is your default state, and watch your wealth multiply immediately. 8. Work less, earn more. The power of leverage. Working less and earning more might sound like a paradox, but it is the powerful principle of leveraging systems and automation to maximize income without trading endless hours for cash. This habit involves creating and optimizing passive income streams that work for you even when you're not actively involved. Entrepreneurs and investors understand that time is the most valuable asset. By building scalable businesses, outsourcing repetitive tasks, and utilizing technology, you free up precious time while your earnings multiply. Instead of exhausting yourself in a 9-to-5 grind, focus on building systems that generate recurring revenue. This strategy allows you to enjoy life while your wealth grows exponentially. The art of leverage is about working smarter, not harder. It means identifying opportunities where your efforts produce significant returns, often without your constant attention. Embrace digital tools, automation software, and outsourcing strategies that let you multiply your productivity and profits. Reclaim your time and use it to pursue passion projects, family, and personal growth. Transform your mindset from time for money exchange to a system-driven approach that generates income around the clock. This shift not only enhances your financial portfolio, but also enriches your quality of life, giving you the freedom to truly live. 9. Invest like billionaires, not like the average person. Investing like a billionaire means adopting a disciplined approach that focuses on preserving capital and generating steady returns. Rather than chasing quick profits or speculative opportunities, true wealth builders emphasize diversification, risk management, and long-term growth. They study market trends, economic indicators, and expert insights to make informed decisions that align with their financial goals. This habit involves setting clear investment criteria and sticking to them, avoiding impulsive moves driven by market hype. Billionaires allocate their funds across various asset classes, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and innovative ventures. They understand that preserving wealth is as important as growing it, and they continuously educate themselves on the intricacies of financial markets. By following the strategies of legendary investors like Ray Dalio and Warren Buffett, you can develop a robust portfolio that withstands market volatility. Invest wisely by focusing on value, stability, and gradual wealth accumulation. Use risk management techniques to protect your investments and leverage opportunities for growth. Adopting a billionaire's mindset in investing not only secures your financial future, but also empowers you to seize emerging opportunities in a dynamic market. Start building a diversified, resilient portfolio today and invest like wealth creators. Your future begins with smart investing. 10. Take action now. Don't wait for the right time. Action is the catalyst that turns dreams into reality. In this habit, the key to wealth is taking decisive steps without waiting for perfect conditions. Many aspiring millionaires hesitate, overthinking, and procrastinating, which only delays their success. The most successful individuals know that every moment wasted is a missed opportunity. They act boldly, making calculated moves that propel them forward even when uncertainty looms. This habit is about overcoming fear, embracing risk, and committing to continuous progress. It requires you to trust your instincts and take the leap, even when the path ahead seems unclear. Each action, no matter how small, builds momentum and brings you closer to your financial goals. Remember, the journey to wealth is a series of consistent actions, not grand gestures made infrequently. Every step you take reinforces your commitment to a prosperous future. Seize the moment, break free from analysis paralysis, and start executing your plans today. The right time is now, and the only way to guarantee success is to act without delay. Your future self will thank you for the courage you display today in transforming your financial destiny. Take that first step now, and watch your brilliant future transform beyond imagination immediately. 11. Millionaires. Take bigger risks, but smart ones. Millionaires are not afraid to take risks, but they do so with intelligence and careful calculation. This habit is about understanding that opportunities often require stepping outside your comfort zone. Yet success is never a result of reckless gambles. The wealthy assess potential rewards against possible losses and make informed decisions based on research and experience. They understand that every risk carries an inherent opportunity for growth, provided it is managed wisely. Embracing smart risk-taking involves learning from failures, adapting strategies, and continuously educating yourself about market dynamics. It is not about avoiding risk altogether, but about embracing challenges with a clear plan and a robust safety net. When you take calculated risks, you position yourself to reap significant rewards while minimizing potential downsides. This mindset is a key differentiator between those who dream and those who achieve. Trust in your abilities, gather information, and make bold moves that are aligned with your long-term vision. Remember, every breakthrough in wealth has come from risks that were carefully weighed and executed with precision. Adopt this habit to push boundaries, seize opportunities, and create a future where your financial potential knows no limits. Step boldly forward and transform your financial destiny now. 12. The rich build multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income is a risk that the wealthy never take. The rich understand that true financial security comes from diversifying earnings across multiple channels. By developing several income streams, you safeguard your finances against market fluctuations and unexpected challenges. This habit involves creating passive revenue sources such as investments, real estate, side businesses, royalties, and digital ventures. It is about building a network of income that continuously supports your lifestyle and accelerates your journey to wealth. Embrace the principle of diversification not only in your investments, but also in the way you earn money. The more streams you build, the more stable and resilient your financial foundation becomes. This approach allows you to seize new opportunities and adapt quickly in a dynamic economy. Whether it's through dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, or an online business, Each additional income stream compounds your wealth. By strategically expanding your revenue sources, you create a robust safety net and unlock the potential for exponential growth. Start diversifying your income now and watch your wealth soar to unprecedented heights. Thank you for joining this journey through 12 powerful millionaire habits. I hope you feel inspired and ready to transform your financial future. Remember, the key to wealth lies in adopting these proven strategies and taking bold action today. Every step you take brings you closer to a life of abundance and freedom. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Elite Millionaire Hub for more insights and success stories. Leave a comment saying, "I will be a millionaire," to join our community of wealth builders. Your commitment today can create a prosperous tomorrow. Stay driven, stay focused, keep pushing.